This wig today is coming from RPG Show. I have a $100 coupon code for you guys. I will put it in the description box if you would like to save money on this purchase. Here's everything you get inside your box. Wig cap, an edge band, some tape, and also a storage bag where you can store your wig when you're not wearing it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I can tell you that already. The color is so pretty. What the color looks like, has beautiful highlights. This is a silky texture in 20 inches. This is a 250% density. And then let's take a look at the front. This wig does have a bang. So this is a bang style. And of course that parting, you get lots of parting. This is a 13x6. They're 2.0 Swiss lace caps, so it will fit without having any bulges. And this is what the cap construction is. As you can see, you got that 13x6 parting, combs and adjustable straps in here if you would like to go glueless. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. Just adjust the strap, get it nice and snug. I'm going to plop this wig on. I've already cut the extra lace off. Okay. Let me straighten it up a little bit for you guys, tighten it up some. I'm probably going to go glueless with this. Okay. So straight out the box, this is what we are looking like. Okay. Ooh. So really pretty, I want to say ash blonde. Bang is longer, so it gives you room to be able to cut it. I'm gonna have to work with this a little bit, y'all. Y'all know that straight out the box, it can be sitting and then you have to work with it. But the parting, this is what the parting looks like if you want to be able to part it. So you get a lot of parting space. As you can see, you can go all the way over here on the side. They bleached the knots on this very, very well. So you can go all the way back here with parting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just style it, add some curls, and then we'll get into more details. All right, one thing about this hair color, I think a lot of people can pull it off. It's really pretty if you are looking to change up your color, wanting to go from brown to maybe a few highlights, because it has a little bit of browns in there at the roots, has a little bit of 27. It's just a really pretty color. So what I'm gonna do is just add some curls, and it smells really good, really, really good. Now, even with this wig having a bang, you can still push that bang back and you can see that you have a great hairline there. And with this being the 2.0 cap, when you do push that bang back or wearing it without it, the lace lays super flat on the forehead, so it's made to fit very well. It's also made with invisible knots, so you don't have to worry about bleaching them because they are so small. Another thing I really like about RPG Show, so the quality is definitely there when it comes to the color, when it comes to the construction of how they make their wigs. So if you're looking for a really natural wig with gorgeous color, they have so many different varieties, not just this one. You can check out their website. I will put the link below. This is their 19th anniversary. So this company has been around for a very long time. They're not new to this. They're very experienced. And I can honestly say that I've seen other companies that have really nice colored wigs like this charge over thousands of dollars for the actual wig. The pricing to me for RPG Show are very affordable if you are comparing it to most wigs that cost like $2,000. So there is a discount for $100 off. If you want to use that, that'll be in the description box with the link to this wig. Curl very well, especially for it to be pre-colored. Later on, I'll tell you guys after I finish styling it, I'll let you guys know the pros and cons, but I need to actually just play with it right now, and then we'll get into all those details. But right now, like, I really like this hair so far. So pretty. The color looks exactly like it does on the website. Let me let this sit for a minute and I'll be back to you guys. So what I'm gonna do for the bang area, go ahead and just probably cut it a little bit shorter so that it won't fall too far into my face. Get rid of these strands in an upward motion like this. Feather it some, pull it upwards, and then just let it down. Just settle in for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and just release these down. As you can see, curls very well. I want this to lay flat. You can leave volume there if you want to.
And I can see
look how bouncy them curls are, y'all. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Look at that. All right, this is looking very good. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think the curls are ready to brush out, so I'm just gonna fluff them out. Take them where I want them to go, and just like that, we're done. This is what the end result looked like. I am not disappointed. I love this. This is a really pretty style, like so pretty. So again, this is their 19th year anniversary. Happy anniversary to RPG Show. They are celebrating by giving you guys a discount. It will be in the description box. This wig again is their Wispy Bang Dark Ashy Blonde human hair. Yes, human hair lace wig. And it is the 20-inch. So as you can see, the 20-inch, when stretched, is longer. This is a 13x6 Glueless 2.0 fitted cap. I love the fitted caps because they really do lay flat when you go to glue it down. You can wear this wig with or without glue. Today I chose to go glueless and only use the straps that are in the back. It comes with tinted transparent lace. Sorry y'all, the FedEx just pulled up and they blasted music. I hope you can't hear it. But yeah, it comes with invisible knots. It has that real scalp look, so the knots are super small in that parting, and it comes with a pre-plucked, pre-bleached hairline, and it looks absolutely fabulous. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and link it for you guys. This wig is so gorgeous. Again, you can part it wherever you want. Right now I'm just doing the part that comes with the wig, which is the middle part. But yeah, I do like this a lot. It turned out super pretty. Their hair colors are phenomenal. They have so many different varieties of color on the website. So if you necessarily don't like this color, you can definitely check out the link. I'll put a collections link in the description box so we can check out other styles from them. As far as the pros and cons, the pros with this hair is how customized it is, from the cap all the way down to the hair. The only con I find is that when you have color that is lighter, usually sometimes the hair can be on the drier side. So I recommend conditioner is your best friend. Wash it. Make sure you aren't shampooing it to death, because you know, with it being this color, it did go through a process to get here, so you will develop dryness if you don't condition the hair good enough. It really doesn't need to be washed often. I would highly recommend using the bag that they, I'm sorry, stuck to them. I would highly recommend using their storage bag if you plan to take off your wig, and putting it back in there so that it won't dry out just sitting around. So that's why they give you these storage bags, or they give you an option to have one. Yeah, it definitely is a great thing to have if you want to store a wig that costs. That way you can protect your investment. So links will be below. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you all back in my next video. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel, where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.